Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Crazy with Cooking. Guys, today I am gonna show you how to make pineapple sauce. This is fresh pineapple from freezer. Okay, and I have ingredients is a lemongrass, garlic, salt, galanka, and jalapeno. This hot pepper right here is not that too spicy. I'm gonna add loud hot pepper in here. Okay, I'm gonna add some more loud hot pepper. So I make this pineapple sauce, guys. Pineapple sauce is like a dipping with the fish, you know, like barbecue fish, grilled fish. So I'm gonna show you how to make this good pineapple sauce. Ingredients not that hard. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, let's go start it. Okay, I got the blender right here. So just make things easy. All right, let's go start it. First, I'm gonna go ahead add jalapeno in here. So put everything that you like spicy, you add more. I love spicy, that's why I'm gonna add loud hot pepper in here because I love spice. Yep, just add how much you want, it's up to you. Okay, then lemongrass to make the sauce smell good, galanka to make the sauce taste good, all the herb in here, garlic, salad. So everything throw it down. Okay, pineapple throw it down here. All right, let's go blend it. I'm gonna add some more pineapple because I make a lot like this. I can eat a lot of time, and I put in the freezer. I show you how to save this sauce. When you need it, always pour out and then just let them melting and then dipping anything you want. Okay, let's go start. Okay, I'm gonna add the water. Just make easy to blend it. See everything down here. All right, let's go blend it. Okay, everything smooth now. Let's go to next level. Okay, I got the pot right here. Let's go cook this pineapple smoothie sauce right here. All right, and I make a whole lot like that because I need to save in the freezer. So next time when I want to eat, always got it. Very easy. Okay, now I'm gonna start cooking until this get hot and melting together. It looks yummy already. Smells so good, guys. Okay, this is sauce. First, I'm gonna add sauce in here. Just a little bit first. If not enough, you over add some more. Okay, this is the MSG. I'm gonna add just a little bit, make a taste. Just a little bit like that. That's it. And stirring. Oh, smells so good, guys. Try it. It's very healthy. Pineapple sauce with herb. Look nice and soft green, yellow green color. Yum. Cannot wait to eat this. Now I'm gonna add fish sauce. I don't need no sugar because pineapple's already sweet and sour in here. It tastes so good, guys. This is dipping sauce. You can dipping anything, but I'm gonna grill the fish and dipping with them. Show you how to eat this sauce right here. So delicious. Okay, this is another loud fish sauce. Okay, padek. We call padek. So I'm gonna add this one. Yeah, that's it. See, that's already boiling, cooking now. Let it cook like 5 minutes. I'm gonna add some more sauce. Okay, let's take a taste. Oh wow, so delicious. Oh my god, guys. You don't believe this pineapple salt right here is just so good. I'm gonna cook down until the water kind of gone halfway. Make the salt very thick so it'll be nice and deep, you know guys. Okay. Okay guys, I stood down for 20 minutes now. They thick now, so I'm gonna turn off. That's good right here and ready to grill the fish and eat with. Don't go anywhere. Keep watching, okay guys. Alright. On the side, let it cool down. Guys, it's already cool down. This is pineapple sauce cool down now. I'm gonna add sugar and add lime to make it, you know, dancing in your mouth, you know. So you need like spice up the taste, lime and sugar cane, brown sugar cane. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 cup of this one, basically 1.5. Okay, 1.5 in there. Okay, just add lime to make like nice and taste, and you're gonna love it. Add more juice. Nice and sour. Pineapple is sour, but they're not very dancing in your mouth, so you want to spice up. Topping this. Oh yes. Okay, I'm gonna stir well. This is still warm, so if you want anything like spice up, like make taste so good, you add sugar, brown sugar, not white sugar, and lime. That's it. And taste. Okay, take a taste. Oh my god, so delicious, so good. You know, smell good lime, nice taste sugar, galanka. You can taste all the herb, lemongrass, hot pepper. Oh my god, you guys, you can try and do it, and then you can dip with anything. You put on taco, you can put on dipping grilled fish, you can dipping barbecues, any kind of meat. So try to put this in the refrigerator. If you don't finish it, put it in the freezer. If this is stay like at least 2 or 3 weeks. So try it guys, it's so delicious. One more time. Oh my god, I've been in love with this. So delicious. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Okay everyone, there you have it. Hey guys, my sauce already done. Pineapple sauce to dipping fish with fish, grilled fish. Okay, now it's beautiful. And let's go start grilled papino fish. And I have papino fish. I have air fry grill. It's very easy. Air fry right here is, oh my god, I love this air fry right here. Just go ahead, put the fish in here, and I'm gonna go ahead add jalapeno. I love jalapeno grilled. So okay, just put it in. I'm gonna go with fish. No, no, not yet. Okay, I'm gonna add for 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Fish should grill perfectly with 20 minutes. Okay, let me do the magic, and I'll be back. Okay everyone, after 20 minutes my grilled fish and air fry is already done. Just take it out. Oh yes. I want to grill some another 5 more. Just 5 more. Okay, ready to take this fish out. Oh wow, look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's nice, awesome. Hot. Oh yes. Look at this. And then I got the grilled hot pepper. Oh yes, I love grilled hot pepper. I mean hot jalapeno. Oh yes. Okay guys, this grilled papino fish and roast jalapeno, the vegetable, the way you love. You can wrap with any kind of vegetable. I have some mint, I have some salad, and pineapple sauce. That's the main one right here. It's the main one for the sauce, and then topping of peanuts. Okay, let's go eat. Wow, this is healthy eating, guys. Come on, come eat with me because I'm by myself today. Come on over to my house. Welcome. Okay, let's go start eating. I cannot wait. It just smells so good, especially the pineapple sauce right here, guys. Come on, and have some noodle on it if you want. All right. Okay, guys. First, I'm gonna show you how to eat this. So easy. The key is you make sauce. When you make sauce, ready to go, and you can you can dipping with any kind of fish, just salmon fish. This vegetable I love. This is my favorite vegetable, and I know I love mint. I'm popping mint in here, guys, and then peanuts, some couple peanuts in there. Okay, and have some noodle. If you like noodle, I put just a little bit. My kid just folk to eat fish. Just my key is go to the fish right here. When you prepare the fish, whole fish don't have to clean. And that's so good, guys. You can see the bone, peel off the skin, everything. You don't want to eat skin, you can peel off right here. So clean. And you go to buy Restaurant Depot. Restaurant Depot is very cheap. And now it's already everything in. I'm gonna go ahead and put sauce, dipping sauce, just like that. Put dipping sauce in, and there we go. Just like taco. This is pan pang fish grill wrap. So good. Okay, let's eat one more bite. Just wanna show you how to prepare, guys. So easy. You know, pineapple sauce already sweet and sour. If you like to add more sugar, it's up to you. Cause I don't want sugar. That's the reason why I don't put no sugar, because pineapple by themselves this is already. Now, everything you favorite vegetable in. Pick up the fish. The fish is just the fillet. When you grill whole fish like this, it's more easy to just eat. If you see that kind of, it don't even have no bone at all. Just perfect. See that? Just like that. And grill. And put the pineapple sauce just like that. Yum. Okay, everyone. Now I'm gonna get busy and eat this because I'm so hungry right now. It's 2 o'clock afternoon, so this is my breakfast and lunch all together, and dinner. I eat once a day, guys. I don't want to eat too much. And you have to eat like food benefits for your body. You can eat once a day, and you have to eat dinner. That's why I don't eat dinner. And guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please thumbs up, subscribe, and I will show you more and more eat healthy food and lose weight for 2022. Eat this way and you will lose weight, but don't eat dinner. You can eat breakfast, you can eat lunch, but no dinner. Just eat good food like this, and they cover you all the way until tonight, until tomorrow. Guys, thank you for watching, and I see you next video. See you later. Subscribe. Thanks. Bye bye.